Hey everyone, let's get straight into it. If you've ever seen the price of Bitcoin or XRP on one exchange and then slightly different on another, that's where crypto arbitrage comes in. It's a method where someone buys crypto cheaper in one place and sells it slightly higher elsewhere, taking advantage of price gaps across platforms. Today, I'll walk you through how this can look in practice using XRP and a platform I've been testing called Arbitrage Liquidity. It connects with exchanges like Binance, Bybit, Kraken, and tracks these micro price differences. You don't need to forecast pumps, just follow the logic of the spread. Here's how the structure looks when using a crypto arbitrage platform like this. 1. Create an account on the platform. It's a standard sign-up, nothing complex. Once inside, you get access to tools that monitor real-time price gaps across connected exchanges. 2. Select the asset you want to work with, XRP, BTC, ETH, SOL, or any other altcoin you're comfortable with. 3. Deposit that asset to the platform's wallet. Once the deposit lands, you're offered the ability to sell it for USDT. In our case, the idea is simple. The prices for certain coins on this platform are higher than on places like Binance or other exchanges. So when we sell our coins here for USDT, we get a bit more than we would elsewhere. That difference is what makes this kind of crypto arbitrage possible, buying where it's lower and selling where it's higher. That price gap is the core of what makes arbitrage crypto work. 4. Then just withdraw your USDT to any wallet or exchange you prefer, Phantom, Binance, or other exchange or crypto wallet, wherever you're operating from. This entire routine is often called BTC arbitrage, P2P crypto arbitrage, or simply arbitrage trading, and people use it across different assets and platforms. Why this platform? So why exactly this one? I've tried a few, and this platform, Arbitrage Liquidity, has a few things going for it. It's been active since 2016, which speaks to long-term infrastructure and reliability. It supports major exchanges, offers a clean UX, and has fast execution, which is crucial for real-time crypto arbitrage strategy. I've also seen it discussed in crypto trading forums and reviewed on Trustpilot. It's not about signals or magic bots, it's about understanding the structure of crypto arbitrage. Binance paths or Binance arbitrage loops and working with logic. Crypto arbitrage trading isn't a shortcut, but it's one of the few approaches that still makes sense in volatile markets. If you're learning how to do crypto arbitrage or just exploring crypto arbitrage bots, guides, or arbitrage platforms, keep this in mind. Whether you're into Bitcoin arbitrage, crypto staking, altcoin trading, or just learning the flow, this is one of the most grounded ways to explore it. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. It does not offer financial advice, and nothing here is a recommendation to invest, trade, or expect any kind of result. Always do your own research when it comes to trading crypto, especially with methods like arbitrage strategy or crypto arbitrage Binance flows. See you in the next one.